You gonna wave to Andrea? Oh, good waving. Good touch wave. Yeah. Isla's been waving this trip. She's
waving.
8 months, almost 9 months old now.
Ah. You have a very intense gaze.
Yeah. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Little wave for mommy. Here's Andrea. Yay! Hi, Auntie, Cousin Andrea. Daddy.
Auntie,
Yeah. And Uncle Cousin JP.
Hello.
Hi. There she is. Good waves.
Are you finding your thumb?
Fun times in Vegas.